Hi, Bestie. Welcome to my page. I am here with another haul. I had my daughter go to Dollar Tree, and when she was in Dollar Tree, she FaceTimed me, and I was like, pick me up some things. And she got me some things, and I'm going to share what I got. It's all pen related, and I'm going to do a pen test with all the pens that I was able to get. So she showed me these metallic pens. I said, you know what? I want to test those on black paper. She found some Sharpies, and she was shocked because she was like, wow, Dollar Tree has Sharpie pens. And then she saw these S notes. I don't know why she got me these pencils, the colored pencils. Not sure if I'm going to try those, but I'm going to see how they write on black paper for the metallic ink, and then the rest I would use on white paper. And like I saw the zebra pen, she was like, that's not name brand. I said, yes, it is. And then it was another pen I saw when she FaceTimed me. Let me find that other pen. This one right here. She was like, that's not name brand. And so she didn't realize zebra was a name brand. I'm thinking she must have thought that that was a Dollar Tree brand. But this is all the pens and markers that she picked up. So this one right here, this Z Grip, I'm not going to pen test this one. But if you're interested in these type of pens, they do have it. They do have different colors in this one as well. Blue is my favorite color, so I asked her to get me the blue one. And I might end up including this in one of the giveaways that I might be doing, along with the ClickArt, because I've used ClickArt as well before. So this might be going in the giveaway as well, because I'll be doing a giveaway soon. So I have two of the Sharpie S Note markers. This is a dual marker. And I'm probably end up including one of the packs of these in the giveaway as well. Probably pink, because most people I've seen that follow me loves the color pink, because I think I got one. Let's see, here is the other S Note. So I might end up testing out this one right here, and maybe save the pink and yellow one part of the giveaway, just in case if you're not familiar with the Sharpie S Note markers. So I just have to decide on what I'm going to do. But I'm thinking I might end up doing the pink one as a giveaway. And so she got me these Sharpies. Most people are familiar with Sharpies, so I'm not sure if I need to do a pen testing for the Sharpie. And here is the other Sharpie. And I did tell her to pick any color for the Sharpies, and I guess she just decided to give me blue because blue is my favorite color. So I'll probably end up keeping the Sharpies. But I wonder, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Alright, so here is the zebra pens here. This is the metallic ink, and I plan on testing both of these on black paper to see how they look, because they're metallic, and typically when you get to metallic ink, it does show on black paper. And so I'm definitely going to test the metallic markers. The ink, I'm thinking that's the Dollar Tree brand, but those will be tested on the black paper. And so I got the dual tip art markers. At first I was not going to get this, so she was like, you sure you don't want these? So I got those. Now, these right here, these are I'm not sure if I'm going to use these. Let me know in the comments if you ever used these before. Alright, and so this is a dual tip with two colors. I probably test that as well. Alright, so those are what I will test, and I just have to decide one of these. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this one right here. I never seen this before. Yeah, I never seen this before. And I don't know. But I'm going to put all the other markers and the pens to the side so I can pen test the metallic ink on black paper. So I have two notebooks that I'm going to use. This is my inverted notebook with black paper for the metallic ink. And then I did end up pulling out another notebook that has white paper. And I definitely want to go ahead and test out this dual tip. And so when she was in Dollar Tree, I asked her, we were looking for the viral pens that I've seen on social media, but I couldn't find those. And of course, she didn't know what I was talking about. All right, so I'm going to start off with this right here, the Ink Dual FX pens. Now, I'm thinking if I was actually in Dollar Tree picking it, I probably would never pick these pens up. And I think because she suggested it, it's why I end up getting these. All right, so let's try out. Hold up. I want to write the name of the pens down so I know which ones that I'm testing. So this is the blue and green right here. I like it. Surprisingly, I like it. Yeah, I definitely will never pick this up. But I think I like it. It's different. And this one where I could use this when I'm making notes or something to stand out. Because typically I use like black ink in my planner. Let's try this blue and the orange. But yeah, I like the pens, guys. I'm just shocked that I like it. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna add this to my pen pouch. And I like this blue and orange. This is my HBCU colors, the blue and orange. But yeah, I like the dual tip pens where you can see both colors. Let me try to color in both color sizes. Not sizes, but both colors. But yeah, I think I'm going to keep this. I'm going to add it to my pen pouch of the pens that I'm currently utilizing. Like when I'm making notes in my planner, this would stand out. Because like I said, I typically use black ink. And I do use blue ink from time to time. But adding this into my planner, like especially like if I'm flipping through trying to find something, this would definitely stand out in my planner. So I like it. Thanks, daughter. Because I definitely would have never picked those pens up if it was me in the store. So I think I'm going to go ahead and test out the S Note. So I've tried S Note before. It's been a long time. But let's try it out. Let me know in the comments, have you used or tried the Sharpie S Note markers before? And let me know your thoughts on them. Do you use them regularly or what? And like I said, this is a dual tip marker. So if you like dual tips, this might be something you consider. And the pens was $1.25 if I remember correctly what she told me how much they cost. Cause I like dual tip markers, but right now my phase, I like the dual tip dot markers. That's the phase that I'm in at the moment. But dual tip, dual tip markers do come in handy. So this might be something nice. If you have a student a child that's in school, this might come in handy if they like to highlight and use. They have two markers in one because you can write and then you can also outline some things. So this is the dual tip oil-based markers here, and I might as well just go ahead and test out the colors for this. And I like this box have mainly primary colors. That's what it looks like. And I know a lot of people use these type of oil-based markers for coloring. So I'm just going to add them to my pouch where I have my markers that I use for my coloring book. But I'm going to fast forward this part as I test out the colors so you can see the different colors. And I like this paint. I think this is pretty. I think it's real pretty. But I'm going to fast forward this part as I test out each of these markers. So for the door tip, I can't wait to test them in my coloring book. And now I want to go ahead and test out the Zebra Metallic. This is the part that I've been waiting for, to test out the pens and the markers on black paper. But I'm going to test them out on white paper too, so I can see the difference on white paper and black paper. I'm just so excited that I was able to get some metallic pens. I'm just totally shocked that Dollar Tree had Zebra Metallic ink pens as well. So cause I don't have these pens, cause I have so many different types of pens that I use on black paper, but I can't say I don't have these. Now I do like the way this gold look on the white paper. I like the way it looks. Alright, let's go ahead and test out the purple. Now this look great on the white paper. I can't wait to see on the black. So here is the silver. But you do know sometimes when metallic inks look great on the white paper, it doesn't mean that it's going to look good on black paper. So that's why I cannot wait to see. But all the colors look great on the white. So just know that you can't use it on the white. But let me get my black paper notebook so we can go ahead and test those zebra pens on the black paper here. Now, if you like to write on black paper, let me know your favorite pens that you use in the comments. Let me know if there's any brands or any ones you like on black paper, metallic ink, whether it's the ink pen or a metallic marker. Please let me know. Alright, so let's go ahead and start off with the gold. Now, it's not vibrant. It looks better on white paper to me. Because I have some gold pens, and it shows up more. So I'm not sure if I would recommend these zebra pens for black paper. It's not vibrant enough for me. I like them better on white paper. But let me know your thoughts. Yeah. I really don't care for these for black paper. So my recommendation, if you're looking at these pens to use it on dark paper, I would recommend it. Yeah, I don't recommend them for black paper, but they're absolutely cool for white paper. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into the ink metallic markers. Let me open them up. So let's see if this brand will show better on the black paper. So in this pack, let's go ahead and see. Oh yeah, I can see this a whole lot better than the Zebra brand. Yeah, I can see this a whole lot better. I don't know if it's because the tip is thicker. Well, no, because I have thinner tips and ink pens and other brands that show up great. And because the tips of these are thicker, like if I want to do a header or something on black paper, I definitely could use these markers on the black paper. And of course it looks great on the white paper. But I definitely can see this brand a whole lot more compared to the Zebra brand. And if you have any recommended markers for black paper, leave that in the comments. That green is, I don't know. It seemed like the markers are a whole lot better. And I'm thinking because the tip. But like I said earlier, I really can't say that because I have so many tip sizes from 0.5 on up in other brands that I can see more on black paper compared to the Zebra. But I'm glad to know with the markers I can see them. Yeah, I don't think I would. I know I won't journal with the ink brand markers because of the thick tip, but as a header, I think it would be absolutely perfect to use. So I'm gonna fast forward the rest and I'll be back. So, Bestie, that is it. Let me know what's your favorite out of the pens that I did test. I will say the ink metallic markers on the black paper is just a vibe that I absolutely love, and I look forward to utilizing those. But all the metallic inks look great on the white paper. I like the dual tip pens. The tip pen that had the blue and orange tip. Love that as well. But let me know your thoughts. If there's any recommendations of Dollar Tree pens, let me know in the comments. I'll try to get my daughter to go out and find them so I can pen test them. If you're not subscribed, I hope you decide to subscribe to my channel. If you have any recommendations of pens you would like for me to test, let me know in the comments. Let me know, because I am a pen girl that I collect pens. So, don't forget to tap the thumbs up, turn your notification bells to all, and please, please, please engage with me in the comments. Toodles!